Hi, Jim Mathers, President, Energy Professionals, and this is your Energy News Today. So I'm with Tom Gillott. We're talking about air conditioning and decontamination. Obviously, the whole world right now is like trying to figure out, is this really an epidemic? Are people dying in the streets? We don't know. Like I'm not here. I'm not an expert on world health. I do know that businesses are struggling around the world, and key among them are the hotels. Hotels, resort hotels, and guess what? Summer's coming like a rocket. So summer's coming at us. These hotel owners and resort owners are now concerned. How do they open up faster? How do they get ready? And so we've been talking to some of the big resort hotels, and they're now asking us to bid on their decontamination work. And I wanted Tom to kind of talk about the different levels of decontamination that we can provide.
Yeah, we can provide 5 different levels. And these aren't like nailed down in stone. You can kind of adjust it for what your needs are. The first thing that we can do is we can sanitize and disinfect the high touch areas. Doorknobs, countertops, places where people will touch a lot. We'll just go in and sanitize those.
And that's a lot for a 1,000-room resort, right?
Oh, that's a ton, yeah, because you have to get every door, and it gets involved. And then you can take that to where you're fogging all the rooms and all the common areas, the restaurants, and you actually put a disinfectant as a fog in the building. Okay. And it'll sanitize.
And that goes into all the nooks and crannies.
Yeah.
Because we're not just talking corona. We're not just talking the coronavirus. This is like any virus and bacteria that's in the building. We can actually help mitigate and take out. Okay.
And with mold, as a lot of
mold
facilities will have.
That's just irritating, though, right? It's not killing anybody, is it?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
Yeah, I'm not a doctor either. Do you want mold in your hotel room? I was in a place one time, and I won't say where it was at, but it smelled like it was 100 years old. Yeah. Just from the mold in the air conditioning system. Yeah. Now, what about the air?
That's exactly right. We fog the air conditioning systems as well. Run this disinfectant right through the systems in one duct, all the way through the system until it comes out.
And it kills viruses and bacteria and mold.
Yes, it disinfects it.
Okay, that's.
Yeah. And then what we do is with the steam cleaning process that we've talked about before, we'll actually go up to the air handlers and sanitize those with the steam system. So the coils and the fans and the drain pans, where all that stuff likes to live, we sanitize.
So there's a buildup of pathogens in the air handlers too.
Yeah, actually, yeah, because it's very moist, dark, cold. That's the environment those things like to live in.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. Yeah, and then we could take it if somebody needs it even higher, where we can go in and do a HEPA vacuum of all the surfaces in a building, damp wipe it down with a disinfectant and wipe it, and we can even get to where we're going into the restrooms, inside drawers, inside stock rooms,
storage rooms.
Yeah, like and books and folders, canned goods, whatever they have.
So the stock rooms where they store all the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. That'd be good.
Yeah, we can clean that as well.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yep. It's important. Well, I'm excited about this project coming up, and this is really important now for resort owners anywhere in the world that are shut down. Right now, I think we're pretty much North America, Mexico, and all the islands, right? The Caribbean islands. Mm-hmm. So right now, our reach is there. We're actually expanding like crazy. So if we need to reach further, we can reach further. And if it's a big enough job and you're on the other side of the world, we'll find a solution for you too. Anything else you want to add to that?
That's about it.
So we can clean it from top to bottom and get it ready for summer.
Yeah, and we can also clean the air conditioning systems while we're there if that's what's needed, just as part of the whole program.
Like if they haven't done it in the last 10 years. Yeah. I highly recommend it, I think.
Yeah, and it's all geared toward what the customer needs. So
good.
We work closely with them to find out what they want to achieve. What problems are they having, if anything, or is it just proactive?
So there's 5 different levels of decontamination. Obviously, when you get to level 5, this is like all out, every particle in the entire building. But again, when you look at a 1,000-room or a 750-room resort hotel, it depends on what the owners want, and we'll do a customized job offer and bid for you. Okay, give us a call today.